Sikanyamazane Stadium la sibona khona umdlalo Super Foundation Championship.
I think it could have been 4, 5, 6 for us, but you know that's what happens in football. But I think this will give us a confidence and tackle the Uppington match with the aim of winning.
Yeah, if we check, they made their subs right at halftime, and we didn't make our subs exactly at that time. We made one sub because we didn't have a problem in our team. They had a problem. That's why they made 4 subs.
Namuhla masiphuma sithe madoda sambe emsiyolo. Ngiye igame leto decide ukuthi siya relegator or siyahlala. Ngifuna kube top goal scorer nje for ukuthi la Mpumalanga kucale kuphuma top goal scorer ku NFD nami ngikhona kuba proud ngami.
Position 14 akusiyinzawo lekufuna abahlale kuyo yes basha ku first division noma ku foundation but kuhlala la abahleli khona bekungasi kahle kakhulu.
Sikanyamazane Stadium la sibona khona umdlalo Super Foundation Championship. Iqembu ke la ekhaya Inaster Peace basiyela uma inyosi bende kahle kakhulu kubuthi nje 2026 bebede iwin batholile win yabo yokuqala kusho konke nje iqembu leqala lakhuphuka umceceshi ke lo musha ke lo igame yakhe yesithathu Joel Masutha kusho konke nje emsanyelo lo musha usanyela kahle as the coach sila Kanyamazane Stadium sibuka iqembu leNaster Peace baxabe khona ngathubani bakhonzile eqala ku first half babuya ku second half bashaya amagoli amabili winning goal yashaya phansi Sicelo Serero lobuya lapha nje eBabathon kepha nje sibonile neqembu lapha nje leHighbury bebatmisela kusho konke umdlalo omuhle kakhulu kepha nje uma usibuka kwanyalo elewini bayitholile namuhla into baboosta iqembu because imathuba bekaseba manyenti ekusingahle sibabone behla baya lapha ku relegation kepha nje lewina namuhla ebaboosta kakhulu sikhumisile ke na captain lapha nje Intisonto Mkhabela naye yakhombisa ukuthi nje iqembu uyalibona ukuthi mathuba atobe akhuphuka so besikhumisana nemceceshi ebeliqembu nangivele sokhona coach today your first win after 3 games in charge. What does it mean for you, especially 2026? Before this game, there was no win.
Yeah, I'll start by correcting. This was my second game, and my first game was against Kasrik, which we lost 1-0. This is my second game, which is also my first home game. And yeah, I'm very happy with the effort of the boys. It was not easy, you know. There are no easy games now. Everyone is fighting for maybe either promotion or survival. I think Highbury also want to get out of this relegation dogfight as early as possible. So for us to get these 3 points, it's going to give us a bit of a breather. At the same time, it will be a moral booster for the boys because I think this year this is our first win, and you know, sometimes even when you are playing well, but if you're not winning, it takes out of a lot out of the players. And they start now to doubt themselves. They start doubting if we ever gonna win and the like. So I'm very happy, and the credit must go to them. The way they fought, and hopefully this is the first of many more.
And then also we see that when they are playing away, there's no much effort compared to when they play at home. Can we see after today's win maybe collect another 3 points maybe away, because usually they collect points when they're playing at home?
Yeah, anything is possible, you know. I believe even against Kasrik, our biggest undoing was us not scoring the chances that we created. I think it could have been 4, 5, 6 for us, but you know that's what happens in football. But I think this will give us a confidence and tackle the Uppington match with the aim of winning, and we're gonna give it our best shot, and hopefully we'll get the maximum points.
And then the message coming from you to the supporters, especially there behind the team all the way, even they didn't do well, even also today you were behind by 1 goal, but still they give you the moral boost. The message to the fans because they are carrying the team.
I'm dedicating this win to them. This is their win because the role they played, even though they were not inside the field, they pushed these boys. They uplifted their spirit. They never stopped, and that is for me. I take supporters as a player number 12. They've got a big role to play, and they've played it. Hopefully, we're gonna make them happy in the remaining 10 games, and I can just say. Thank you so much. We can't do it alone. They are a very, very important stakeholder in this club, and we need to have these teams here. And also, hopefully, Kruger can also give us this field next season and they move to the bigger stadium.
Thanks so much for your time, coach. Congratulations. We hope you do well in the camp games.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Imqeqeshi ke iqembu elala ekhaya Dynasty Beast Joel Masutha imidlalo wakho yesibili ke lo usho wona uqhamuka kahle kakhulu sambona nje uthole nebini sibesikhulumisana imqeqeshi ebeqembu le Highbury. Coach, today you did well first half, you were leading, you were pressing, you were comfortable on the ball, but unfortunately you didn't manage the game and you managed to lose the game 2-1.
Yeah, we started the game well the way we wanted to. We played, controlled the match, controlled the possession, took an extra touch where we had to, and we got a goal early. We wanted to score early, score first, and we did that. We could have scored the second goal towards the end of the first half. And in the second half, they made some changes, which I believe that they have a hand on how the game changed. We started to also turn over the ball a lot in the second half. We couldn't play the way we prepared to keep our foot on the ball, but we spoke about it at halftime because we picked it up that it was partially happening in the first half, that sometimes we are losing the control of the possession, which also helped the opponents to be better when we lost control. So we could have dealt better, to be honest, with the 2 goals that we considered, especially the second one. I feel that we could have managed that ball better. It was a high ball, it was on for everyone. But yeah, we'll take the lessons and the positives going back to go and prepare for the next match.
And then, coach, the substitution said for 4 players before second half at once, and also you did introduce 3 players also at once. What was the plan? Was against the 4 players that they introduced so that you can counterfeit them?
Yeah, if we check, they made their subs right at halftime, and we didn't make our subs exactly at that time. We made 1 sub because we didn't have a problem in our team. They had a problem. That's why they made 4 subs. Yeah. Our 3 subs were made later after they scored 2 goals. That's when we responded the way we responded in terms of the scoreline and then in terms of the time. So we managed our guys the way we wanted because we anticipated the altitude this side. But unfortunately, the weather was not the one that we expected, the hot weather. That's why we were very stingy with the subs. But we were not responding to their 4 subs. We never had the problem that they had. It was their problem. They had to bring in 4 players at that time.
Coach, thanks so much for your time. Hard luck for today. Good luck for the upcoming games.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, mqeqeshi ke weqembu leHighbury uyasho ke ukuthi nje baqale kahle kakhulu. Sibonile ke first half beba dominator everything, bekhombisa ukuthi ngahle bashaya amagoli abemanyenti, especially bashaya igoli licala, futhi sibonile indlela badlala ngakhona bekhombisa ukuthi iqembu leli limisele bengabonakala ukuthi badlala away game. Kepha nje second half iqembu lala ekhaya Dynasty Beast bende 4 substitutes at once. Ngicabanga lokho basebenzele because after lapho bese bakhona kudlala bakhona kushana amagoli amabili. Uphinze washo naye ukuthi lokho uphinze mhlambe kwabasebenzela after basebenzisa ama substitutes. Kepha yena bese naye wenda njalo, kepha nje 3 substitute later after ba consider 2 goals. Kepha nje uyasho ukuthi nje kuyaphambili betalungisa amaphutha. Sithembeke ukuthi kuningi lebakufunzile kule game namuhla after ba consider noma bashaya igoli licala egcineni bese baluza le match nga 2-1. Kepha nje futhi namuhla kunjabulo balandzeli bala ekhaya Dynasty Beast after 2026 bebesolobete iwin yabo yokuqala le. Sithembe ukuthi ne support tota ibe khona nje. Basibonile ukuthi coach na 2 games game yakhe yesibili ke ulithola uwin. Kusho khona nje kuningi netanako nje abasmart une experience Joel Masutha emqeqeshi lemusha weqembu Dynasty Beast. Kanye manje Amsterdam sila sibona umdlalo omkhulu ku-ABC Municipal League la Easter coach sibona khona nje eliqembu la ekhaya Dynasty Beast banqoba khona nga 2-1 bashaya iqembu leHighbury nje basibona namuhla injabulo ibe banyenti noma nje lese injabulo lenkulu kubalandzeli beqembu la ekhaya leDynasty Beast. Captain, namuhla sibona ukuthi 2026 first win yeni kusokuthini kuwe, especially sibonile ukuthi iqembu listruggle the first win for coach chemistry.
Ngakusho ukuthi ngicela ngibonga isupport nemanagement ukuthi basibeketelele. Ngibonga nemaplayer ukuthi sikhonile ukuthi sipersevere until kufika lelanga namuhla ngoba kutsala silinzile sishilo ukuthi wantil tochamuka noma singathi usibe kukunini mara namuhla ngasiphuma sithe madoda sambe ngisiyolo ngiye igame leto decide ukuthi siya relegator or siyahlala.
And then kusho kuthini lokho ke balandzeli special zange ba give up namuhla sibonile support even noma ni concert eqala kepha babuyile futhi banete support moral boost egcineni nawe nga 2-0.
Ba understandile kulesimo lesikuso because khona bebakwade khona there was a time ukuthi basibona ngabasete ground sabacela ukuthi abasibekedelele we are going a rough page, we're going to turn the tables of which today it happened, and thanks to the mighty God.
Sibonga kakhulu sembeke usile be-20 booster kuya phambili.
Angibonge.
Ngikapteni ke welicembu sabona ukuthi namuhla bathole win yabo yokuqala ya 2026 asembeke ukuthi le boost yena namuhla into abayenda ukuthi baqhubeka le season le bende kahle nje basathi ukuthi mathuba abo bekasagcwele ukuthi bangaregret manje le win namuhla iba nethemba ukuthi ngenteka sibone licembu likhuphuka nje basibone maqala isizini liwin ilicembu la ekhaya Inaster Peace nga2 ebashala phandle icembu lesicele kahle phegcineni zange lenta kahle eHighbury nga2-1 sinasicelo ke Serero nje basathi ukuthi igoli uyachaya nje basathi namuhla ukuthi uphinze wafaka sandla usigcineni licembu lithole win yabo yanga 2026 after bangatholi iwin sibuye kumnyaka 2026 kumceceshi Joel Masutha uphinze umkhombisa ukuthi uyamthemba sicelo asibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho namuhla ukuthi uphinze futhi wabonakalisa ukubaluleka kwakho noma ushaya igoli kepha uphinze wena emsebenzini lomnyendi ukuthi ukhave uphinze futhi wena ema plays kepha kusho ukuthini kube namuhla ukuthi kube nguwe wokuqala ngqa ukuthi ushayile igoli 2026 ngaphansi komceceshi omusha Joel Masutha.
Ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi ngikhonile kusita coach ukuthi naye asinede confident ukuthi sikhona ukora ngoba into lesende egamini lamalanga vele nasejimini siyakora nje ma drills about scoring, recovery runs, lama polygons akhe las introduce kude lokuningi nje la kufakile just nje speed, energy nokutithemba.
Ndeni sabona indlela licembu dlala ngakhona litshintshile man nehanga niyapressa ngozibhola niyakhava nonke kude umuntu lobonakala ngathi ukhona urelaxile kusho ukuthini lokho ukuthi umsebuka coach indlela ngakhona licembu ngathi usiba nemandla latimiselana namuhla noma niconcentrate ecala niboyile futhi nabena ngathubani.
Ngicabanga ukuthi coach into la installile kithi ukuthi if story league ithwa la what about lama families ethu, what about labantu lesibanakelako abantwana bethu bomake bethu esipasupportayo usinekete lendo leyo then nashaya inhlitiyo sabona ukuthi vele if istosuka la le salary lesiholako i right then ukuthi sibele emuva ke ABC sotholela boma 3000 at least lana siyakhona ukuthi assist endlini nami ngikhona ukuthi nami ngifika nje ngihole ngiyakhona ngene store ngende something.
Namuhla sibone isicelo ukuthi ngaphandle koshaya goal phinze futhi une runs lamanhle uyabuya une block futhi nalapha emuva assista and then ngaphambili yini singalinzela kube especially sayibona ne confidence high na coach yakuthemba futhi.
Ngicabanga ukuthi into nje leningayilinzela kimi ukuthi hayi ngifuna kube top goal scorer nje for ukuthi la Mpumalanga kucale kuphuma i top goal scorer ku NFD nami ngikhona kuba proud ngami.
Asibonga kakhulu esicelo sembeke ukuthi uphinze uphakamise flag eseMpumalanga neBabathoni yonke nje bawona nanyalo umsebenzi wakho omuhle uqhubeka kanjalo futhi senda show ukusakulanzelela nima uthuba futhi avuleke because sakubona ukuthi misela ngakhona awusembisi ukuthi ufuna kwehla nanyalo indlela udlala ngakhona unehanga nama ibhola ude uyazama uhambe ufanana nama strikers lacothela kahle la boxing ipha wena ukhona all around kusho kwasibona kahle kakhulu sakubongisa sasemba ukuthi nelicembu litosinza inqa yakho indlela udlala ngakhona.
Hayi ngiyabonga coach ngaphandle kwakho yathi coach nguwe lo ngende so.
Asibonga ke sicelo ke Serero wakamasilela nje basho singimlemende so ke sicelo libe lingadi ngimle ngamakha sicelo ebekadlala kimi kuma under 15 ngikhumbula sadlala eBabathoni ke league sawina nga 6-2 washaya amagoli onke oyi6 ayedwana bekadlala e-center that day after lapho ngamjinja kusadlala striker nje bosombona namuhla so striker since lapho after ngamjinja kusabe striker manje asikho lapho nje besibonga emsebenzi wendako asembeke ukuthi ukuchubeka asithi icembu uyabala ukuthi coach ubaphinze wabathembisa ukuthi nje abalungise tindo ebathembisana ema families abo ukuthi tontshintsha mabara nga regret angeke bathole lempilo bayithola nyalo kusho konke nje le motivation ibasitile ibakhile nanyalo musabuka wonke umuntu hungry bangaluza amabhola bakhava bonke futhi balekelelana kude umuntu relaxile bafuna wena show ukuthi team relegate sibasikhumisana nebalandzeli lekela ngaphandle sibevu ukuthi nje nabo bathini after bathole win yabo yango 2026 kanyamaza stadium Highbury 1-2 licembu la ekhaya Inaster Peace bathi yaluma inyosi nje basibonile ukuthi imidlalo ube muhle kakhulu ekhaya licembu la ekhaya Inaster Peace baseluma inyosi lumile for the first time ku 2026 sabona ukuthi balandzeli bajabulile sabona futhi na emva kwami nje kune team talk bajabulile balandzeli bajabulile futhi badlali bakhulumisana nje na coach lapha yabamotivate yababonga kepha nje sinemhlatiro omkhulu ke Davis Samkethe sports guru lophinza futhi kube nguye lolandzela kakhulu ABC Municipal League phinza futhi elandzele Municipal Foundation Championship ngisasesikhathi ngibingelela ngamukele ku Ace the Coach Show ku podcast for the first time 2026 sayibona licembu lenta kahle kakhulu bakhonza kuqala bawina ngathubani sokuthini kuwe nje emhlatini nje babulanzelela licembu indlela badlala ngakhona negame isibili ya coach Joel Masutha.
Ngibonge Ace ngibonge sasakho ngibona ukuba iphathi manje as a coach podcast I think bayidzinga kakhulu this win man. Bayidzinga uyakhumbula ukuthi babuye emidlalweni yabo la bedrop ama-point khona and bahlele kabi futhi South Africa position 14 akusiyinzawo lekufuna bahlale kuyo. Yes bayasha ku first division noma foundation but kuhlala la bahleli khona bekungase kahle kakhulu njengoba usho balanza Joel Masutha manje ukuthi kube nguye umqeqeshi uyafika ube nama changes man. Uma uthi yabuka ngithe ngiyabuka ngalendlela badlala ngayo manje igame iqale ba defender very deep. Uma uthi yabuka iHyper ithe mayifika yakubo lokwendeke kwabese kuyabonakala ukuthi ngase bayashake somewhere but ke ama changes lendiwe nguye before not even ma changes but line up yakhe labe nayo uma uthi yabuka ucala ngasikhethele Mabuza Tower ku center back uyamada umdlalo wakhe yasebenze naye ku Red AM uyamada kudlala kanjani but I'm impressed kakhulu ngemidlalo lodlala bengadlala bengabuka adlala i-right back but aphinze futhi angena umfana Shabangu ube nemsebenzi lomhle kakhulu especially second half ngila adlale khona kahle kakhulu i-defense yakhe beyihle but overall i-team AC ibukeka kwangathi utayakha Joel Masutha ngalendlela kungayo ma changes la wendako aba effective wonke umuntu bekabukile ukuthi uTasimangena Mabhena and something ikhola igame igoli beyikhwaleza ngayo iqhamuka ebhutsini lakhe Mabhena naMadela uthi nayo mangabe experience lanayo uyayadla division Madela simbolethe Sporting simbonile lena le kumacembu lamanye but mangabe abakhona futhi like the biz uadd le experience uadd le composure le ifuneka phakathi egroundini so yeah I think Joel Masutha will get things right.
And then sibonile futhi na captain isikhathi eside ube nema injuries Innocent Mkhabela le save la yendile lapha iblock lenda kuthi iqembu linga concede second goal kungabe I draw kusho kuthini nokuthi naye simbone namuhla abe khona ena coach amthembe futhi for a full 90 minutes.
Yeah, it's all about experience. Uma ngabe i-team ihleli khona second round manje ku Motsepe Foundation. Uma ngabe the experience how to be composed discipline phakathi enkundleni but expose but awusebenzisa space la kunale player ucabanga ukuthi down something khona babholela lona bahabe bodlala. Uma uthi yabuka Innocent first half bebam isolated la center. Bebenda show baba Hyper ukuthi they are playing away from him. Ngilole ngikushilo noma ngihlele grandstand ngathi the danger lekhona ukuthi bafuna kudlala away from Innocent and uma athola ibhola yena Innocent nayo tholakala isolated ma teammates akhe asekuthini naye and then sekufuna ashaya i-long ball lokwenda babese automatically ba change to route 1 lokwendeke kwaba difficult kudlala but second half mabuya I think the team talk libe khona nge-interval it did work wonders for them ngoba uma uthi yabuka le block la yendile lapha ubonakele ukuthi he is playing as a defensive midfielder manje kufuna and sure ukuthi he's helping bowling ngela lapha move is helping bomabuza lapha move ku add number mangabe ba defend even Serero was dropping very deep Masilela ayo defender and then now when that crucial tackle lapha emva le kube throw in lebo bona ukuthi uma ngabe inga crosser bekungendeka something phakathi eboxing but yeah I think there's a teamwork manje kuma players they know what they have to do phakathi enkundleni they are helping each other they are fighting for a team fighting for a page Dr. Wenda the biz ikhona collect ama points
and then lisabona coach game yakhe sibili emehlo lomkhono nje basobalile nanyala ukuthi ne fighting spirit nibadlali batmisela baphinze futhi babuye bakhava baluze amabhola bosicela baphinze bavale umsabuka ngokwakho usala ukhona le game coach ukhona focus inyalo asitile licembu ukuthi linga relegate kumbe yambona abuya futhi next season.
I think it's all about what the chairman is expecting from him. Yes, siyathi ukuthi manje they have to save the team. I-team ihleli kabi ace bengibuka ilok table mangabe iphela i-game ba move I think with one spot from 14 to 13 ya drop i-Midland ihlala ku number 14 but I think they have to start building from here. Uma ngabe ke bafuna ukuthi i-team yende good next season kufuna ba assure coach Masutha ukuthi this is your team next season is yours start building now start assessing your players manje start identifying ma players lekufuna so add teamini mangicabanga lokho ngakhona ukuthi kumele naye aba comfortable akhona ku planner Joel is a good coach ace angicabanga ukuthi ungile coach lefana nalema coach ukuthi angeke umthembe ukuthi he can stay with the team next season or what he offer ufike imthathe he wants to be with the team leto khona ku builder simbonile ku black le pass simbonile kuma team ngisho lamaningi uba ne team afuna ku builder sekuya ukuthi results angafiki kumbe maybe bo chairman bangabe happy and then mabese bayamrelease but yena he is the father lofuna ukuthi abe ne team leta khona ukuthi compete so I think uma ngabe Mr Magungu atothembela kuye amnike ne assurance ukuthi this is his team Joel Masutha can be the coach next season and can be the coach leka khona ukuthi challenge i championship.
Sibonga kakhulu sembeke kusihletiwe lakho phindze lagwabela ingcono ebabukeli nje bababona nanyalo ukuthi bajabule kakhulu after a long time bangakhona ukuthi bathole i-victory sembeke ukuthi ngihamba isikhathi phindze sibuke elicembu zidlala kanjani abonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho
ngibonge as a coach ngibonge nabo bonke labalandzela hlelo lakho niqhubeke madoda niyiphushe njalo ufuna impumelelo ngiphakame ngani sikhole ukuthi konke sikwende kube sharp ngiyabonga isi
abonga kakhulu bengikhuluma naye nje sports guru Davis Samgethe besibuka licembu la ekhaya siyabona nje baphumelele namhla win yabo kuqala e2026 sinemlandzeli ke licembu leNasty Bees basibona bathole win yabo kuqala nga2026 besiva yena uthini njengemlandzeli nje basibona kuselicembu elinkeni kahle kakhulu asibonge ke ukuthi njengemlandzeli namhla ube nasi ku as the coach ku podcast yethu sakubongisa ukuthi nawo umunye lokhona lamuhla ukhombisa kujabule nesupport ngibonile lapha ushada icathulo lapha kuselicembu likhona kuwina kusho kuthini kuwe njengebalandzeli ukuthi namuhla nithole win yokuqala
njengemlandzeli bhuti wami ngokutshela into leyo-one le team ngiyayithanda ngenhlitiyo yami yonke do or die kubi kukunhle kude umuntu ongavelelwa simo kufana nokufa nakubi wonke umuntu uba khona ile Bees nyalo isesimeni lesingase right for i team yabona but angeke ngikhulume kakhulu deep ngala mara ngithi mina congratulations ku the Bees ukuthi iwinile for the first time this season ikhona kuthola win ngiyabonga ngaloko si move forward sibukela kuphiki le game lelandzelako le town
and then njengebalandzeli angive up sibonile namuhla bakhonze icala kepha nje igcineni bafakile imoral nababooster babona nga 2-1 kusho ukuthini lokho kuyini lingaphela imandla especially suka khashani le enkomazi into support especially nje basathi kusinje inkundla ayikho kahle le into support la lingaphela imandla ubona nyalo khani bathola iwin ya 2026 kepha nje angive up nibanika amandla
Puti mina into ngokutshela yona ukuthi mina the only thing le siyendako yabona sibalandzeli basenkomazi bayithanda ibhola kakhulu ngendlela lesimanga even though yabona nyalo in terms of my numbers aba mancane kakhulu ngesimanga sokuthi siyaluza kakhulu yabo but njengoba sikhonile kuwina namuhla ngokuhamba kwesikhathi udobabona kusibalandzeli basenkomazi bayithanda ibhola kakhulu
angibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho
ngiyabonga bhuti
mlandzeli ke leyo licembu leNasty Bees sabonke usijabulile kepha nje uyasho ukuthi balandzeli banyeni bebasafukile kepha nje asibonge kusele win le into ephenze belethe ukuthi bakhona kusupporta licembu nje sibonene namuhla zange ba give up balethe icembu lezela winner as the coach besikanyamazana stadium ke la sibuka licembu leNasty Bees banqabe nga 2-1 bashala phansi icembu leHighbury asembe kusele win le ebaphakamisa nesitafule nje basibonile basukile kunombolo 14 bahlela phansi kunombolo 13 as the coach besibuka lapha nje icembu la ekhaya kanyamazana stadium